The ORLMS S9 is a compact yet capable folding electric bike built for riders who want a practical combination of portability, comfort, and everyday performance. Designed for both urban commuting and light off-road exploration, this e-bike blends a space-saving folding frame with reliable electric assistance, making it an excellent choice for city dwellers, commuters, and weekend adventurers alike. Despite its compact dimensions, the S9 delivers a surprisingly confident ride, offering the versatility needed to tackle busy streets, park trails, and uneven backroads with ease. Powering the ORLMS S9 is a 500W brushless electric motor that provides smooth acceleration and dependable climbing ability for a variety of riding conditions. Depending on the selected riding mode and regional configuration, the bike is capable of reaching speeds of up to 55 km per hour, while its 5-level pedal assist system allows riders to choose the perfect balance between motor assistance and manual pedaling. Whether cruising through city traffic or climbing moderate hills, the motor delivers responsive performance while maintaining excellent efficiency. Energy comes from a removable 48V13AH lithium-ion battery that offers a practical riding range of approximately 50 kilometers on a single charge, making it well-suited for daily commutes, shopping trips, or recreational rides. The removable battery design allows convenient charging at home or in the office without moving the entire bicycle, adding flexibility for everyday use. Intelligent battery management also helps maintain stable performance and extends battery lifespan through efficient power distribution. Built around a sturdy folding frame, the S9 can be collapsed quickly for easy transport or compact storage inside apartments, offices, or vehicle trunks. Its full suspension system combines a front suspension fork with a rear shock absorber to reduce vibrations and absorb bumps from rough pavement, gravel paths, and uneven terrain, creating a smoother and more comfortable riding experience. The 20-inch tires provide agile handling while maintaining stability across a variety of surfaces, making the bike equally comfortable in crowded urban environments and light off-road conditions. Safety and control remain key priorities throughout the design. Mechanical disc brakes deliver reliable stopping performance in both dry and wet conditions, giving riders confidence during emergency braking or downhill descents. The integrated LCD display keeps essential riding information clearly visible, including current speed, battery level, riding mode, trip distance, and total mileage, allowing riders to monitor every journey with ease. Combining dependable performance, everyday practicality, and convenient portability, the ORLMS S9 offers a well-balanced electric bike solution for riders seeking an affordable all-around companion for commuting, leisure riding, and weekend adventures.